I'm Sushma Jaiswal, founder of Swasthi Nutrition. I have nearly 4 decades of rich experience working in United Nations, WHO, many other international organizations throughout the world in many countries for 25 years. COVID-19 vaccination and importance of nutrition. See, there are several misconceptions with COVID-19 vaccinations, especially from nutrition perspective. Like once you have taken the vaccination, your body gets immunized. It is partially true. Actually, the vaccination works fully if your body has all the required nutrients, macronutrients, micronutrients, phytonutrients, antioxidants, trace elements, etc. Agony is that earlier people used to eat food to nourish their bodies, in which their soul dwells. But in current times, we eat food to satisfy hunger pangs and for the taste. Most of the times, it has nothing to do with the nourishment of the body. In modern world, people are running behind bank balances, comforts, enjoyments, parties, show business, etc., but are becoming far away from nourishing their bodies with good food. However, COVID-19 has taught most of us the importance of good nutrition, and some people also have started following it up and seen the improvements in their health. Still, it is very less. Swasthi Nutrition is creating awareness by helping the families to improve their whole family nutrition and health. The kind of food should be eaten on regular basis to enhance the immunity and keep hormones in balance, to prevent lifestyle diseases, protect from ill effects of the already prevailing diseases, protecting different organs from the side effects of the medication, and curing many of the diseases with our nutrition therapy. Because I believe that God has given all the solutions in our kitchen only. Taking COVID-19 vaccination is not sufficient, but to have the right selection of foods at right times, correction of lifestyle, and exercise is also important for the vaccine to work optimally on your body. And this is not only during vaccination period, but also for the rest of your life. During COVID-19 vaccination, the person may feel little discomfort for 2 days, may even have fever, lethargies, body aches, etc. But that is normal. In fact, it is a sign of that vaccine is working on your body. In long term, it is needed to protect your body either from COVID-19 or becoming a carrier of COVID-19. So please go ahead and take the vaccine. It may save lot of inconvenience, bad health, hospitalization expenses, and much more later.